Hi guys, it's me AC again, and you're watching my channel. Thank you for coming. So basically, today I'm just going to show you guys how I got this look.
Just kidding. Can you imagine if I actually talk like that? I would annoy myself. But it is AC, guys. Thank you for coming to my channel. And so I just realized that the last time I uploaded a video was in August. So I am really slacking. Just life and people and things are just getting in the way. But my hair has grown a lot, and I just wanted to share a little bit of my journey and like new tricks and tips that I have learned, as well as what products I've been using and like how they've been working. So if you want to see how I just got this twist out look with, you know, a little bobby pin back, a little jumbo braid in the front, just keep on watching. Also, shout out to my like 11 subscribers, especially with me only having one video. Y'all are real. I thank you. Y'all don't really have to do that because I am not even putting out content like that, but I definitely do appreciate it. But if you would like to see more videos kind of like this, or just anything more, you know, about me or how life is going, because it's been crazy the last August, September, October, 3 months, I'll just let you guys know what's going on. So continue to watch this video.
You know you got my attention, baby. I know you see me, baby. You must think I'm crazy. You know I go so hard, leave you lazy. Your pussy like an ocean, and you know I'm wavy. She want all the smoke, she the way she want it, she a natural. I know she playing hard to get, but everybody knows that I bag these. Yes, I bag these. Baby, I be talking, we can laugh and joke, but everything I say is factual. There's a couple things I have to know. What's your name, girl? I gotta know. Never seen your kind before. Sip this drink, let's smoke on the stroke. It's getting late, where you trying to go? She told me, can you hold me close? She told me that I'm in control. She told me, what you waiting for? Told her hop on this like Geronimo. Yeah. She told me to ride, Geronimo.
In my bedroom, 4, 5, 6 of her friends coming here to me. Wine for the dawn, let's have some fun. The freaks come right out when they don't see the sun. Baby, I don't judge, you can do what you want. But you see where I'm coming from, that's gonna leave you numb, leave you sprung. I'ma make you say my name, I'ma make you play my game. Get it from the front just to see your face. Get real deep, I'ma grab your waist. All them curves on my drops to straight. Got an appetite for you on my play. Baby girl, I'ma drive you crazy. But I gotta know.
What's your name, girl? I gotta know. Never seen your kind before. Sip this drink, let's smoke on the stroke. It's getting late, where you trying to go? She told me, can you hold me close? She told me that I'm in control. She told me, what you waiting for? Told her hop on this like Geronimo. Yeah. She told me to ride, Geronimo. She told me to ride, Geronimo.
She's natural, no good girl cause she passed the dough. I wanna put it in a tight spot. I said I pull out but I might not. She's different cause she's not a whore. She is the one I adore. For play before I hit it. If she requests it then she get it. I can't focus, she's on my mind. Trust that is so hard to find. What we got, I see they jealous. Cause of me, baby, cut off fellas. My name is engraved on the body. No, my baby's not a thotty. Only for B2, not for everybody. Geronimo, haters gotta go. And
what's your name, girl? I gotta know. Never seen your kind before. Sip this drink, let's smoke on the stroke. It's getting late, where you trying to go? She told me, can you hold me close? She told me that I'm in control. She told me, what you waiting for? Told her hop on this like Geronimo. Yeah. She told me to ride, Geronimo. She told me to ride, Geronimo. Geronimo. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So basically, here is the final look. I had worn my twists for 2 full days, and then I decided to take them down. And I used my Main Choice growth oil just as a oil on my hands to help me take down the twists. And then every morning I go in with my moisturizing cream from the DOUX, and that's how I wear this look.